Yesterday, I analyzed the Boom 900 index where I said I expect this index to buy from this level. I think the level of 9,920, 935 would say this bullish order block zone. But currently, my bias on this index have changed due to how price approached our buy zone. Price dropping to the downside, we got a bearish order block formation, which means that the buys we are to get on this level is likely to be a short buy because we got a bearish order block here on the level of 10,000. We could see price sell from this zone. So I would currently be looking out for a sell opportunity on this index, expecting the drop to the downside. Yes, we have a key level at this point, the level of 9,935, which price has bought and sold on. Still, I expect this level to get broken. I expect this level to get weak on price, testing this bearish order block formation, getting the sells to the downside. When we zoom out on the charts on the daily time frame, we would see that this index has been buying for some time now. This index has been bullish, creating higher lows and higher highs formation. And when we look closely, we would see that we've got a formation which the market is trying to form, a rectangular formation, which I expect price to give a breakout to the downside, at least for price to come back to these lows, this point where this index started forming from, the origin of this index, because a gap has been created on the buys we got, on these long buys we got basically. Market has created a gap here, which I expect price to come fill up. I expect the sellers to drop price to the downside in the coming days and weeks. And when we look at this formation here, market structure in this zone, we'll see that we've not really been getting major bullish moves. The market has been choppy in this area. The only major moves we got here was at this point where we got this bullish engulfing candle formation. A big bullish day here would say here as well. Other days has been choppy with a lot of wicks on the candlestick formations, which indicates a reduction in the buys, the bulls losing out on their buying strength. So I expect price to drop to the downside, getting to this level, at least the level of 9,666. The break of that level would see price drop further to this level possibly. Then price dropping to come fill up this gap, getting to the level of 8,000 in the coming weeks and months. So I'm very much bearish at the moment on Boom 900 index. I expect price to push up a little bit. If we can get the spike to the upside, price coming to test this zone, the 10,000 price zone, then I'll be looking to selling this index. But let's still have in mind that this index is bullish. We've got price in an uptrend still, price creating higher highs and higher lows formation on the 4-hour time frame. We can see the trend clearly on the 1-hour time frame. Market trend is very much bullish, but still on that, the bearish structure is coming into place because we have a bearish pattern formation which the market is forming. Same price creates the head at that point, the left shoulder here basically. So a push up to this zone will be getting the right shoulder formation, which I'll be selling this index on. And to know that the bullish trend on this index is reducing, price didn't give a good buys from our buy zone, our expected buy level. The buys in this area has been coming up in low momentum. So I just expect price to push up a little bit to test our bearish order block formation, which I'll be looking for a good sell opportunity on this index. So let's mark out this trend because the market is likely to expect it. So we need a proper break of this trend support level to get good sell confirmations on this index. So just a little push up to this zone, I would be selling this index. I'm looking for a good sell opportunity at this point. A push up to the zone of 10,000, I would be selling. And when we go to the 15 minutes time frame, we'll see that we are getting a bearish structure. The market is forming a bearish structure where we've seen price create series of lower highs and lower lows formation. Having the first highs here, let's call that the first highs. The second high is the market created a lower high, and the third high would say here a lower high, which the fourth high is still forming. But I don't really expect price to start selling from this area at the moment. The point where I expect price to sell from, the major sell zone, is at this point, price pushing up to this zone, the zone of 10,000, which I'll be looking for a good sell confirmations on to catch the sells to the downside. So the structure looks very good on this index. We've got price create series of lower highs and lower lows formation, having the first low here, the second low, a lower low at this point, and the next low the market formed here, the last low would say at that zone. So we're having the bearish structure in place, which a little spike is expected for price to test this other block level, then we'll be selling this index from this area. So my first sell entry would come in at this point with my stop loss above this other block area. So price dropping to the downside from our sell level, I'd wait for a break of this zone for more entries. So I'll be starting this new week with this index on my watch list, which I expect price to spike up to my sell zone for the sells. So if I'm to catch the sells on this index, if I'm to take the sells from my sell zone, I'll definitely update you guys on the result of this trade. So that's it, guys. That's what I expect of this index. That's my view, my new bias on Boom Now Red Index, because I got a change of bias here. So for more market analysis like this and market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. It's limits to load, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.